Georgia, March 28, 2023. March showed that his whims can be simply insane. On Tuesday, March 28, a powerful hurricane suddenly began on the Black Sea coast of Georgia, engulfing Batumi, Chakvi, Kobuleti, and other cities of Adjara. According to the portal News of Georgia, it is noted that at first nothing foreshadowed trouble. In Batumi, a strong warning was announced just a few minutes before the start of the hurricane. A strong wind rose suddenly. It demolished the roofs of houses, tore off advertising structure, felled trees, uprooting them straight to the roofs, and damaged power lines. As can be seen from the footage, many houses near Batumi had their roofs blown off and windows smashed out. Structure fall on people. The wind is so strong that people have to hide behind thick palm trees. The Emergency Management Service reported hundreds of calls to hotline not only from Batumi, but also from Chakvi and Kobuleti. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Georgia confirmed one person died and 4, including a minor, were injured on Tuesday evening.
Вот здесь сидела я. Вот только что.
Ты видишь, если бы мы сейчас гуляли.
According to the weather forecast, the bad weather in West Georgia will continue for a few more days. A storm of 4 to 5 points is expected in the sea.